So hi guys, so on this video I'm going to tell you how to layer your perfumes. I know a lot of you might be like, oh, I bought a perfume and after using it doesn't last long. It doesn't last long on me. After like few hours I no longer perceive it. But then when you check the review on TikTok, you get to see like, oh, this perfume is nice, it's long lasting, 24 hours, 48 hours, but why is it not lasting on me? So guys, this is something you should know. If you've not heard about this nascent oil, this particular scent, if you've not heard about it, you have over different colors, but this is my favorite. This liqueur, I don't know if I pronounce it well, but this particular bottle is my favorite. I always use it on any perfume. So I just picked one of my perfume collection. Let me just, because I want to show you guys how I use my perfume, right? So you'll be wondering why your perfume don't last. So I'm here to give you the tips. So the first thing first is when I finish bathing, the first thing I use after drying my body, I don't make my body like completely dry. So what I do is I use my oil. This is Baby Johnson oil. Is that's right, like this. So what I do is I apply a little on my skin while you still have some wetness, like your body is still damp, so your skin is still damp, sorry. So you apply it on your skin to use here as a sample for you guys. So after applying on your skin, the next thing you need to do is to apply your body lotion. For me, this is what I use, right? This is just me trying to tell you what I go through to make my perfume last on me. So I take my body cream and I rub. So you see, it's going to make your body to be moisturized, right? So I use my oil first, my body oil on my skin. You can use any body oil of your choice. You can use Pears, you can use Baby Johnson, Vaseline body oil, or cocoa oil, or there are a whole lot of them. I can't remember them now. So after doing that, after applying this on my skin, the next thing I apply is my body mist. So this is the body mist I use, Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. I love any vanilla scent, so that's why you can never catch any nonsense scent of me. I always smell so yummy. Okay, so the next thing you do is you spray, right? Too much of your body mist is not bad. Nobody said it's bad. So you apply all over your, all over your body before putting on your clothes. That is where you're going to use your body mist. So the next thing you need to do is to put on your, after putting on your clothes, see, you need to get this Vaseline. This is a Vaseline Blue Seal. So what you need to do is this, to make your scent last nice. Just take a little, right? Just rub them around your ears. This is how I make mine to last long. And then you come here, because you need this here. This is going to make your scent, and you put here. This is going to make your scent last long, right? Put here and you put here, right? This cardinal point. So remember, before the whole thing, you already oiled your skin, like while your skin was a little bit wet, and then you apply your body cream, you apply your body mist. This thing is, you are layering it. Then afterward, you wear your clothes. You do you don't use your perfume closely, right? You don't want this. You don't want to have this on your skin, because sometimes some of this perfume actually stain your clothes. So what you should do, you should give your perfume distance. See, this is what you should do while using your perfume. This is the distance. You need to keep it at least a little bit distant from you, and then you spray. You don't have to break them. What you want to do is this. You pick, I don't know why some of you don't have perfume oil in your collection. You need this. See, I'm using this is the one I use. I have like, I think 3 other perfume oil, but this is like one of my favorite. If I want to make it like astounding, this is one of my favorite. So what you do, you apply them here, you apply here, apply here, apply here, apply here, apply here. See, I promise you, if you go and come back and tell me your perfume does not last long again, then there's a problem. Here and here, you understand? You can just marinate it. I remember here it was to be a little bit oily. I know you sweat here a lot, so because of the oil, it's going to be projecting your scent. So the next thing, the last thing, I'm just using one perfume because I don't want to bring out all my perfume, because I don't use one, I use combination. So but I just want to assume that you just have one good perfume, and also you have a body mist in your, you have a body mist, you have your perfume oil, and then you have your normal perfume. So the next thing you need to do, just and you're good. You're good. Just here, and guys, I promise you, you're going to be scenting nice till you are back home. Yeah, so this is how I layer my perfume. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to use your deodorant. I did not mention that because I believe everybody watching this video has common sense that you are supposed to use your deodorant so you don't give people body odor. It's not that you use perfumes and under here will be smelling, so you need your deodorant. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you need me to recommend perfumes for you, I can also do a video about that, and I recommend good perfumes for you. And don't forget, I also sell perfumes. Yes, if you need good original perfumes, because there are a lot of copies out there, just hit me up. I think I'll put my WhatsApp number here. Hit me up and I'm going to send some perfumes to you. And my perfumes are actually affordable. I deliver anywhere in Nigeria. I also deliver outside Nigeria. Mwah. Thank you.